Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc1900107, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting the problems and fix them if possible. Actually, almost 500 people have approved this answer on the Microsoft Answers forum that this works. If not, just try to install all possible pending updates on the system. So go to the same settings page, this time to the Windows Update tab, and click on Check for Updates and make sure that every single update is downloaded up to the last update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.